So the Maverick, not going to talk much this evening. I want you all to listen to the Honorable Glenn Mills OJ addressing the overwork and the burnout of our young athletes. Listen to Coach Mills.
I've seen a young sprinter who I think have the kind of speed that really would put him above the ordinary. That's young Mattison from KC. I think he has tremendous potential. But potential to me is abstract. And what I've seen happen over the past 2-3 years is very worrying. This young girl that ran this amazing time is absolutely fantastic. But while, the salutation and thing, I was worried because I saw 3 tapes down that quad and so on. And then the athletes, they have to run these Carifta trials and then run champs. And it's the same people who are going at it at high level. And then 2 weeks later, you're back at it at champs. And then a week later, you're back at it as Carifta. And not even the seniors go through that kind of rigors. Maybe then we need to probably take a second look at it. Do we need a Carifta trial?
That right there is the coach of Usain Bolt and a man who has been there and done that. So when them other coaches who's still in the school system are talking about athletes not being overworked and half-dead and cough-hot, we take that with a grain of salt. Coach Mills is saying we need to stop making champs, Carifta, Gibson, and Penn Relays the be-all and end-all for our top young athletes and start thinking about the bigger picture. What Coach Mills is basically telling them is to stop mash up the young athletes then. That was a joint statement issued by the Mills and the Maverick. Thank you.